Yes, yes, yes. This is Big Ben in the house. Okay. I'm live. I'm live. I'm live. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you don't know who I am, my name is Big Ben, and I'm a full-time trader. I day trade Monday through Friday, the stock market, and I swing trade the crypto market too. Okay. So what I do, I focus on the charts because the charts tells me everything, and I look at certain patterns on the chart, and that's how I make my money. And if you're definitely interested in something like that, hit the subscribe button. If you are watching a replay, you can actually go to settings, speed, hit 1.5 or 2 to speed up time. So hey, let's get this party started. During this live stream, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. Okay, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. So let's get this party started. Shout out to everybody that's here. Shout out to everybody that's here, basically. All right, so let's zoom out real quick. I might just make this live stream quick, but shout out to everybody that's here. Now we had a sell-off. And right now things are just looking, looking like they want to pull back. What's going on, Charlie? Charlie said, Ben, tell the truth. Ben, try to tell the truth. I really like the course. It's a must-have if you trade crypto. Shout out to Charlie. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. What's going on, Triforce? What's going on, Alex? What's going on, Bobby? What's going on, Glenn? Okay. Shout out to everybody that's here. I'm gonna wait for more people to come through. But like I said before, if you are new to my channel and if you're tired of these up and down roller coasters, this channel is for you. This channel is for you. What's going on, Randy? Okay, so let's get this party started. I just refreshed CoinMarketCap. And basically, guys, like I said before earlier on my live stream, that 300 billion is a key level. Okay, is a key level when it comes to the coin market cap. I mean, when it comes to the market cap. Okay, it's a key level. I noticed that every time the market hits 300 billion, we find some type of resistance there. Okay, I know nobody really talk about this on YouTube because I don't really see anybody talking about this on YouTube, but I noticed it myself because I'm a guy that notices patterns, because that's what I do. I trade certain patterns, so my eyes are always looking at different patterns, and I recognize that every time we hit or try to go to 300 billion, it's some type of resistance there. So right now, we had actually last week we had resistance. We went to 298, I believe, and we shot back down. And this week we went to what, 304, I think was the highest, 304, and then we shot back down again today. So there's a lot of resistance at that level, and we have to pay attention to that. What's going on? Let me see, who's that? Glenn, Cedric. Keith, what's going on? Shout out to everybody in this building. Let's get this party started. So overall, guys, basically, it's not surprising right now. Because we had this up move right here. The market went down. Up move right here. The market went down. Up move right here. Okay, so right now, where we at right now is a level where the market basically is testing this triangle or downtrend resistance right here. Okay, so it broke out of this triangle just a little bit, just a tad bit, and next thing you know, you're seeing sellers come in. So this is not surprising, to see sellers at this level. It's not surprising because as soon as we broke this level, the next day we saw sellers come in, okay? And then today we see more sellers come in. So This overall is not surprising. This is why I tell everybody to always be careful. Always be careful in a bear market, because most people just don't understand what a bear market is. Okay, they treat it like a regular bull market, and you can't treat a bear market like a bull market. Okay, so right now we have sellers come in, and that's what it is. So yes, NN, shout out to NN. Hit up the likes. Hit up the likes. What's going on, Mr. Hall? So if you are new to my channel, definitely, if you have any questions, let me know. I'm definitely waiting for more people to come through. But overall, guys, the sellers is coming in because we still are in a bear market, and this up move, right? These crazy up moves are not healthy for the market. You can't just keep on going straight up, in a straight line. You can't just keep on going up in a straight line. That's not healthy for any market, especially a bear market. If you notice, just go back and pass. This is why I love the charts. The charts don't lie to you guys, right? If you look at back in the past, February, when we was going up in a straight line, right? We had like these small pullbacks. And guess what happened? When we reached the top, we sold off. We created a double top right here, and we just went right back down. Okay, the same situation right here. Back in was it April, right? We went up, going up in a straight line. We have any tiny little pullbacks, and guess what, guys? We dropped right back down. So this is why I love the charts, because the charts, it shows you a lot. Okay, we having these crazy pullbacks, tiny pullbacks, and what are you going to expect? The market just continue to go up like that? No, the market doesn't go up in a straight line. We have to have pullbacks. So you have to understand that we're going to pull back. Okay, so now, is this the top? No one knows the top or the bottom. Okay, we can actually make another push up. That's possible, but it depends on how low we go from here. Shout out to everybody that's here. What's going on, Mr. XRP? Ghana says, what's up, Ben? So funny how the media says ETF rejection when it was really just an appeal of the rule from the, yes. So basically, this is the article right here. And basically, I guess this was something that the twins filed last year in 2017. And basically, the SEC published a new release today, July 4th. Okay, rejecting the petition. So I don't know. It is what it is. But this is why I tell you guys that I don't care about the news at all. And also I told you guys that these guys know the news. Okay, they know the news. These guys, they know the news before it comes out. Okay, they know the news before it comes out. These guys are 10 steps ahead of you. Okay, they are 10 steps ahead of you. This is why you always have to try to think like these guys. Because these guys are 10 steps ahead of you. Okay, so this is why I don't get too happy when I see the market pull back and go up and is looking like a bull market, because these guys are 10 steps ahead of you, and you have to stay calm, understand what's going on, understand how to read the charts, because the charts is your only friend, because the charts will not lie to you. Okay, the news will lie to you, everybody else will lie to you, your favorite YouTuber will lie to you, but the charts will never lie to you. Okay, this is why I'm able to come on here, even when the market goes up, and stay calm. Okay, even though when the market goes up, you see a lot of haters, right? You see a lot of haters come through on a live chat. You see them. I'm quite sure you guys see them. A lot of haters come through, but I'm able to come on here because I can tell and I can read the market. I can look at the charts and understand what's really going on. These guys are new to the market, so they don't understand what's going on. They get hyped every time they see a green candle, okay? And every time the market goes down like this, it's funny, I don't see none of these guys, okay? This is why I tell them, okay, if you want to hate, okay, be consistent with the hate. Don't just come on my chat or my comment, my YouTube comment box, right? Only when the market goes up, right? When the market is going down, please come to my live stream. We're gonna have fun. Come to my live stream. We can still have fun. It's funny how these guys only come when it goes up. Now, is this the top? Like I said before, I'm not saying this is the top. All I'm saying is right now, this is a critical level because we broke out of this triangle and now we see sellers. Okay, we see sellers at a critical level. So this means a lot. It means a lot. Okay, this could be something scary. So let me see if I see any questions, please. Let me see. Let me see if I see any questions. If you are new to my channel, please let me know. If you have any questions, I'll get to your question. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm a professional day trader and swing trader. So if you have any questions, I've been doing this for 10 years plus. If you have any questions, please let me know. So let me see if I see any questions. And definitely, yeah, you can hit these likes. What's going on? I'm trying to pronounce your name, but Nmer. I'm just gonna call you that for now. What's going on? You said, are you short in Bitcoin now? Bitcoin, I don't have a short position right now. No. Aggressive to do it now, in my opinion, way too below. Yeah, you can wait. Exactly. So you can wait to more sellers come in. But, overall, like I said, I want to see how many sellers come in. I tell you this, guys. I tell you this. Okay. If we wipe out this whole big bar right here, that means a lot. So this big bar right here, if it get wiped out, so if we go below this candle right here, that means a lot. It means that overall, this thing could be weak. Okay. And we'll see what's going on, because I do expect some type of bounce. I do expect some type of bounce from this breakout. You see how the market consolidated and broke out of this consolidation. So when it comes back down to here, I do expect some type of bounce. So if this is really the top, it's very hard to tell, but if this is really the top, I do expect some type of double top first before we go down. But like I said before, no one knows the top. This thing could actually, go back down, try to do one more push up. Now, if they try to do one more push up and the push up is so weak that it can't go nowhere, definitely expect more sellers to come in and roll back down. Let me see if I see any questions. Like I said, if you are new to my channel, let me know. And let me know if you have any questions. I'll get to all your questions. What's going on, MK? MK said, I need to buy a smaller laptop so I can watch the market all day. I hear you, man. All right. So the Hayes Crypto, you say you just made a video for this. Shout out to you. Shout out to the Hayes Crypto. Ace said, I think it's because Facebook plunge. Oh, no. This don't have nothing to do with Facebook. Facebook don't have nothing to do with this. It just so happened that it was the same day, but Facebook don't have nothing to do with the crypto market. Let me see. Any of you get in some of that Facebook drop? Get into it like what? Do you mean short it or buy it? Yeah, Facebook dropped hard. Facebook dropped hard, but overall, you know, overall, the whole market is basically how I say, overall is going up too much, so a pullback doesn't surprise me at all. Yeah, Facebook dropped a lot today. Facebook dropped a lot today. So let me see if I can pull that up. Okay, so basically this is Facebook right here. It was at 217 and it gapped down to over here, right? Right now it's at 176. So it's a pretty deep gap down. But, you know, knowing the market right now, the market is so bullish that we might see an up move, but this might be the top for Facebook. This might be the top. Okay, we might start seeing signs of the market crashing. Let me see. Arrow said, "Hey Ben, first time catching you live. Thanks for no nonsense approach. No problem, man. Shout out to you. E-roll, shout out to you, man." GRA, okay, shout out to you. What's going on? So, guys, I don't know if you saw my last live stream. I told you guys that, you know, this bar right here that you see red, it was green. Okay, I said, guys, by the end of this day, most likely this thing's going to be red. So right now, this is why you know, because a lot of people is buying this stuff. We have a breakout right here. You know, it's just so much stuff going on. A lot of people just don't understand how bear markets work. They are here to trap you. They are here to make you think a certain way. And they actually are doing the opposite. I made the same mistakes that you made times 10. So I really know what's going on. Let me see. You said XRP works with the government? Probably. Michael Raleigh said, "Is it time to sell?" Michael, are you holding? Are you holding? What are you holding, Michael? I'm reading these comments, guys. Give me a second. Yep. Don't listen to what they say. Just watch what they do. Exactly. Okay. Don't listen to what people say. Just watch what they do. And that's you know, you can't get no better than that. Okay. I can't say it no better than that, because people will tell you, you know, promises. And then next thing you know, boom, they stab you in the back. CNBC. This is why, to me, well, I guess since I've been doing this so long, that's why I'm able to see these things better than most people. But it's just so obvious to me that I can tell when things are getting pumped up. Okay, CNBC should not be pumping up Bitcoin at all. Honestly, CNBC should not be even talk. They shouldn't be talking about Bitcoin at all. It's not even a regulated market. This is why I know these guys are on board to pump this thing up. Okay, Bitcoin is not regulated at all, so they shouldn't be talking about this like this is some new, stock or something. So when CNBC start pumping it up, when you see all these articles, bullish, it's out of control. And like I said before, guys, there's really no new buyers in the market right now. There's no new buyers in the market right now. So this up move is just exchanges and bots buying this up, because there's no real new people in the market. Okay, the market topped out around here, and next thing you know, no one is really searching for Bitcoin, because automatically they think that it's a scam. They think that, well, put it like this, they lost a lot of money from it, so they don't want to deal with it no more. The word came out, and a lot of people saying, man, forget about that crypto. You're gonna lose all your money. I lost all my money. So a lot of people, a lot of new people are not searching for this stuff. So this whole big up move is just pretty much exchanges and bots. Okay, it's not really real buyers buying this up. Now, if you look at the volume itself, it's still suspect. Because guys, if you just some of you guys probably don't know, because you probably never been through a bear market before. But a bear market, the big players, they love to get in at the bottom. Okay, they have inside information, so they understand when the bottom is. Okay, if you look at the bottom, the volume, it's so low. It's so low. And then the volume increased when the market was going up. That's not a sign of big players getting in the market. Okay, so the volume, when the market was down and creating this head and shoulders and inverse head and shoulders, this is the volume that we had right here: 3 billion, 3 billion, 2 billion. Right? We never saw 2 billion at all. Ever since January, we never saw 2 billion. I think last time we saw 2 billion was probably, I don't know, couple years ago, right? So this whole inverse head and shoulders was no volume pushing this up, and then all of a sudden we have volume right here. I think we had like a 6 billion pop a day right here, then another 5 to 6 billion, 7 billion over here. So why would the big dogs get in at the top? It doesn't matter. It doesn't make sense. Okay, and now let's go to the altcoins. These guys, this is another thing that didn't really make any sense, because some people say the altcoins always lagging behind, but you can't really say that, because this whole bear market, they was pretty much attached to Bitcoin. They was pretty much attached to Bitcoin, right? Ever since January, they was attached. It wasn't really no Bitcoin was going up and these guys were staying, for the most part. So right now, if you look at these altcoins, they look lazy. They look lazy, guys. Okay, and this is another suspect thing that I saw that didn't seem right to me. This didn't seem right. I'm like, why is these altcoins lazy? Why they look so lazy? Okay, so what we have here, especially with XRP, is we have a big drop with XRP. Boom, big drop, right? Let me see, a big drop, and then consolidation, and this usually means continuation. That's what it usually means. So this is why I tell people, be careful, because these guys are the best on the planet when it comes to manipulation, when it comes to tricking you. They are the best, guys. They know how you think. They study human beings. They study psychology. They study all this stuff. So they know that they can get you hyped, right? Pump things up, get you hype, and then you start buying because you think we're going to 50K because you saw a news article that said we're going to 50K. These guys are the smartest guys on the planet, guys. And I had to learn the hard way because I lost a lot of money. Listen to the news, listen to everybody. And, you know, most people probably still not going to get it, but which is okay, you know. But like I said, this is my job. I have to tell you guys to be careful. Don't try to buy every little pullback. So let me see if I see any questions. Shout out to everybody that's here. If you have any questions, let me know. If you are new to my channel, let me know. Michael, you still didn't answer my question. I don't know if you left. You said I'm not in anything yet except for Tesla. Okay. So yeah, so is it time to sell? Well, you know, it's up to you. I can't give nobody financial advice. You know, everything I do is entertainment only. You know, but it's up to you. It's up to you if you want to deal with these swings. Seeing your portfolio keep going down is up to you. Let me see if I see any questions. Shout out to everybody that's here. You said, does it have to bottom for a while before signs moving up? Yes, it has to bottom for a while for the most part. Yeah, you will see sideways action. But you definitely see a lot of volume coming in the market too. This is because the twins got shut down on their ETF today. Yeah, But you know, guys, this aligns with the technicals. This is why I told you guys I don't need to read the news, right? Everything is baked into the charts. These technicals align up just right. Okay, it's not you know, seeing sellers at this level is not surprising. Rob Robinson said, "Wow, that's a crazy drop." Yes, Facebook. Yes, Facebook is looking crazy. Yeah, so Facebook, what's going to probably happen with Facebook is most people are going to try to buy this thing, but I don't think we're going back to the top, guys. This might be it. Okay, but we'll see, because a lot of you know, this market, this bull market in the stock market, you know, it just keep going up, but this looks kind of bearish right here. I ain't gonna lie, I keep it a buck. Anyway, let's go back. You said what I think about Amazon. I didn't even check Amazon today. So Amazon dropped too. Okay, all right. See, the Amazon drop is not as bad as Facebook, so Amazon can actually recover from this real quick. Amazon can recover from this real quick, but most likely it's going to continue to go back down. Okay, I wouldn't be surprised if Amazon continue to go down, right, and then try to go back up again. But this looks like it's going to, the way it looks right now, it looks like we're going to at least go for this low right here. So, but it definitely doesn't look as bad as Facebook. Facebook looks, that joint look like it's dying right now. Keith said, if you are new here, pick up Ben's course. You can make money now if you study and listen to what he says. So shout out to Keith. And Keith is actually talking about this course right here. If you don't have this course, definitely check it out. During the live stream, I definitely give a 50% discount. So let me get that over with. So I'll go back to the charts. So right now I'm gonna give you guys a 50% discount if you don't have this course. Okay. Basically, I should be selling this course way more than 210. But I'm trying to give you guys a chance. Right now it's at 110. When I get off a live stream, it's gonna go right back to 210. So it's up to you if you want to take advantage of this. But I would definitely suggest you to take advantage of it because people that's buying it are making money right now. Okay, this will show you how to make money right now. If you want to hold and wait and go through these roller coaster rides and worrying about if Bitcoin is going to go up to 50K, if you're tired of that, tired of your portfolio going up and down and waiting, patiently waiting, I'm quite sure that you've been waiting this whole year. And not only that, it's about to be August. Okay, so it's going to be 8 months straight you guys been waiting, hoping and wishing that the market goes up. If you don't want to be that guy no more, if you want to take charge and figure out how the professionals, investors, how they actually make money, this course is for you. Because basically, if you want to buy and hold, you can still do that, but on the side you can actually make money by taking advantage of these swings. Okay, people every other day emailing me and say, hey Ben, I made this, I made that. Okay, you can read these testimonials of people making money. Okay, just read them, just go read them. Right, people are making money, 400, 500, 600, 800, 4 grand. So my top student made 21,000. So it's up to you if you want to take advantage of that. Okay, my channel is not about, or it's not all about hodl and hope and wish that Bitcoin goes to 50K. I want to transition some of you guys to professional investors so you can live the life that you deserve. Okay, some of you guys, you deserve better. Okay, you shouldn't be breaking your back every single day working at that stupid 9 to 5. Okay, but some of you guys just don't want to wake up. You think that everything is easy. You think that you could just buy something and it will go to the moon. Okay, it doesn't work like that. The guys that got in earlier, 10 years earlier in Bitcoin, yes, these guys, they I'm not going to say they got lucky, but they made money. They made their money. Okay, but now it's different now, because since crypto actually hit mainstream, and when I mean mainstream, since it hit the news, it's a different ball game now. Okay, now we got the government involved, right? They sticking their nose in and they trying to regulate things. So this is a different market that we are trading right now. It's not one of those markets where you just put money in and boom, guys, we going to the moon. It's not one of those markets now. You have to actually know what you're doing now, because last year, if you noticed, anybody that didn't know nothing about cryptocurrency, they could have made money. Okay, close your eyes, pick any coin. I don't care what coin. Close your eyes, throw 50K on it, and boom, you made money. This year is a different ball game. Government stepping in. So if you want to take control of your life or of your investing career and basically take things to the next level, definitely check this out. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm gonna copy and paste this link to the chat. So shout out to you guys that have the course already. Let me hit that cha-ching button. Okay, shout out to Corey once again. Corey, I don't know if he's on his live stream, but Corey emailed me yesterday. He said he made $150 yesterday. So shout out to him. And Corey's just one of many that emailed me and tell me, hey Ben, I'm making money right now. So shout out to you guys, man. So basically this chart right here, guys, it looks like it wants to test this breakout right here. This breakout. It looks like it wants to go down to this breakout. If it goes down to this breakout, overall, that's a lot of selling right there. That's a lot of selling. So, you know, you have to be prepared for the worst. You have to be prepared for the worst, especially if you want to do this full time. So shout out to everybody that's here. Let me see. What's going on, Dom? Good to see you here, Dom. John said was actually watching your last video. Shout out to Dom, man. Yes, yes. I'm reading these comments, guys. So give me a second. If you are new to my channel, if you have any questions, let me know. What's going on, Tony? What's going on, Tony? All right, shout out to Mark Araya. All right, thanks a lot, man. Shout out to Michael. He said he's 3 out of 4 reviewing. All right, so shout out to you. I'm reading these comments, guys. So the market says, do you think it's time to buy Bitcoin right now, or will it drop below 7,000? Okay. So the market's why do you want to buy Bitcoin? Answer that question first, DeMarcus. Okay. Answer this question first. Why do you want to buy Bitcoin right now? And I know I'm getting, I'm late to some of your guys' comments. So just forgive me because, I'm only one person. Keith said he just got a small short with a $10 profit, getting close to some setup. Shout out to Keith banging at $10. Yeah, XRP looking weak too, man. I mean, that XRP, guys, I mean, sheesh. It dropped. We're doing a channel. And looks like, I don't know, guys. It looks like somewhat a continuation. Okay. We have this drop. We have this channel. It looks like it's trying to break out of the channel. So we'll see. Let's see if I see any more. It says go to Ethereum. And shout out to you guys. Actually, let me read you guys' questions real quick. Let me see. Dom said, I see a bear flag. Yes, Dom. I just showed you that bear flag. So me and Dom is seeing it's the same thing. Shout out to you, Dom, for learning how to read the charts. Shout out to Dom for learning how to read the chart. Me and you see the same thing, Dom. Let me see. What's going on, crypto gains? Pumping man. You said Don want a round of applause, so let me give him that. Hey, what's going on, Mr. Savage? Leslie Savage. What's going on, Colin? You said, do you have a time machine, brother? Or you are watching? Nah, man. I'm reading these comments, guys, so give me a second. And if you are new to my channel, shoot me a question in the chat. Dom said I should be in bed right now, but I'm going to the beach. I'm going to the beach tomorrow with my family, but I can miss this stream. So Dom, you still on vacation? No. Leslie Savage said you called it. I don't know if you're talking about I don't know if you're talking about my last stream. I actually did a stream earlier today, probably around 3 o'clock Eastern time, and I said this bar right here was green. I said this bar was green right here. I said, guys, by the end of this day, this bar is actually going to turn red. So I'm guessing that's what you guys talking about. Let me see. Smash the likes, guys. Smash the likes. Yes, hit the likes. Let me see. Tron is in position for a nice setup. Make this money. What's going on, Ken? You had 2 burgers today. Nothing to do with crypto. Okay, so okay, Michael, you said is it time to short Bitcoin? Okay, I see what you say. Right now, you just wait for Bitcoin to pull back, and it's not below the moving average. But if you got in at the top, okay, because I believe Annette asked me yesterday or earlier today, was this a good setup for an aggressive short? I said, you know, it's a possibility you can do it because it's a possibility that it can actually go back to the breakout. But it's going to be a quick short. It's not going to be something that you can actually hold. All right. It might be a quick one-on-one. But right now, as a real short, you just have to wait until it keep on going down. Dom said, "Where's the trolls at?" Yeah, I know, man. They come when the market goes up. So when this market goes up, you know, because you know, this market can actually push back up one more time. Okay, and that's when you're gonna see them come back, right? When the market push up probably one more time. But the next time it push up, we have to see how far it goes. Okay, so the next push up, if it does push up one more time, if it just push up a little bit, that's not a good sign. But overall, seeing sellers at this level is not surprising. Okay, I'm not surprised at all. If we start to see a lot of sellers at this level, this might be the top. Might be. We'll see. Only way I can, you know, really say this is the top, I definitely want to see a double top before we go down. Okay, I just don't want this market just to go straight down. I definitely want to see some type of double top. But like I said, overall, I'm not calling this the top. I just want to see how many sellers is coming out, is going to come at this level. So let me see if I see any questions. Ken said, I have a business and I still want to trade crypto full time because I love it. Shout out to Ken, making his money, self-employed money. You said, what's up, L Easy? L Easy, are you new to my channel? You said sooner or later Bitcoin has to lose its status as a leading coin. Yeah, I mean, most likely it probably will, but right now, I don't see that happening right now. Definitely don't see that happening right now. Probably later down the road, yes. Because I'm quite sure there's, you know, a lot of coins that are way better than Bitcoin. Okay, let's keep it real for a second. Bitcoin, what Bitcoin has is a brand. Okay, Bitcoin has that brand attached to it, but overall, there's a lot of coins that's way better than Bitcoin. Walter said, you said it within 2 hours. It's going red. Great call. Lots of respect. Shout out to Walter, man. So you said, Ahmed said possible double top. We'll see. We'll see, Ahmed. For a double top, though, I want to see more sellers. I want to see more. I don't want a double top right here. I want to see more sellers come in than a double top, okay? Because a double top right here doesn't make sense. If it pulls back up, it doesn't make sense for a double top. That means that most likely we're going to push up one more time. I want to see more sellers come in before I see a double top. Almost similar to right here. Let me see if I can show you an example. That you see how right here we were selling off like crazy. Okay, we were selling off, and then we made this double top right here, and then we went right back down. So something similar to that. Let me see if I see any questions. Shout out to everybody that's here, though. Shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for coming through. If you have any questions, let me know. You said Bitcoin having trouble breaking the 70. Yeah, you know, it's still fresh. You know, it's still fresh. It's still fresh. You know, we'll see. We'll see when we wake up. Right now, I live in the United States, so anything can happen. But we'll see. What could happen is maybe tomorrow a green day, right? A green bar. Probably a small green bar, and then the next following day another red bar. So that could happen too. Okay. Let me see. Michael said this gives this time to finish reviewing your course and start reviewing the second time. Yes, definitely. Crypto Inspo is here. Oh shoot, I didn't even see crypto. What's going on, man? Yo, Crypto Inspo, man. I was talking about you the other day. I was like, yo, where did this dude at? This dude don't come on the live stream. He must be on vacation or something. He made so much money. He must have been on vacation on his Lambo or something. So shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for coming through. You know, don't try to buy every little dip. Just be patient. You know, this is still a bear market. Don't let these YouTubers fool you. But we have a lot of resistance right here. Sellers are coming in. It's just the top. This don't necessarily have to be the top. We can push up one more time, okay? But overall, guys, it's pretty much the same story that we see over and over and over. Deep pullbacks followed by, you know, crazy selling. So you just have to be able to play defense when it comes to a bear market. And the best way to play defense is knowing how to read the charts, playing the swings. Okay. I said this, I think last week or a couple weeks ago. Okay. It's time for you guys to, you know, start. Today is the day for you to actually become a man. Okay. Don't stay a boy, right? And rely on outside sources, outside people, because only boys do that. Okay? Only boys rely on someone to help them out. Okay? A lot of people want the ETFs to bail out Bitcoin or the cryptocurrency world. They want the government to bail them out. They want everybody to bail them out, and they don't look at themselves. Okay, you can actually bail yourself out right now if you really want to. You can actually bail yourself out right now if you really want to. You know, you just have to become a man, mature, understand how investing really works. Because looking for an outside source to bail you out when your portfolio is going down usually never works. Okay, the best way to do it is to understand how the market works, have multiple strategies in place just in case the market continue to go down, and the best way to do it is have a short-term strategy in place where you can actually take advantage of these short-term swings. Okay, the market never goes straight up. Okay, it always have pullbacks. You can take advantage of those pullbacks. Okay, so when you take advantage of those pullbacks and you making money monthly, right? And you take your money out, you're not worrying about whether the market is going to 50K or 30K, because you know how to make money consistently from these short-term swings. It's usually the people that don't know how to read the market, hoping and wishing that the government would save them because their portfolio's down, 70, 80%. And, they feel like they don't know what to do. So they're looking for an outside source to save them. And I'm here to tell you guys, you don't need an outside source to save you. You can actually save yourself. You just have to study, understand what's really going on the charts, and start taking advantage of these short-term swings, because if you don't, you're leaving a lot of money on the table. And not only that, you're basically a slave. You're a slave, waiting for a master to bail you out. So the best way to take control of your investing career is to understand how to make money from these short-term swings. It's just what it is. Some people are just lazy. They don't want to do that. But from what I notice, most people can't handle being a long-term investor. Okay, let me say that again. From what I'm seeing from the crypto market world, most people can't handle being a long-term investor, because I get so many emails, Ben, I don't know what to do, blah blah blah, right? A long-term investor means just that, a long-term investor, meaning that you are willing to hold for 10, 20, 30 years, okay? And not only that, you understand that the market don't go up every single year. And you wouldn't actually worry about these swings that's going on right now. This is how I know that most people are not built to be a long-term investor. Okay? They are long-term investors looking for short-term results. So if you're a long-term investor looking for short-term results, that means that you're playing the wrong game. You should be playing the short-term game, which is taking advantage of these short-term swings. This is how I know most people, they just got it wrong. Okay? Right? And most people wouldn't be complaining right now that the market is going down if they knew how to take advantage of these swings. Okay? So, you have to have a long talk with yourself, right? Be honest with yourself and say, you know what? It's time to grow up today. I'm tired of being a boy. I'm tired of relying on the ETFs or the government or someone to bail me out. I have to bail myself out. Okay. And that's what I did. Okay. For 8 years straight, I basically studied the market, and I said, I'm going to bail myself out of my 9-to-5 because I hated my 9-to-5. So I taught myself how to day trade. Okay. A lot of people are so lazy. They want to hope that they can buy and hold and become a millionaire overnight, and they don't understand it. It's not that easy. So shout out to everybody that's here. Shout out to Crypto Inspo. I don't know where you been at. You said you're working on a demo right now. All right. So shout out to you. Let me see if I see any questions. And if you don't have this course, guys, if you are new to my channel, if you don't have this course, check it out. Okay, that will show you how to become a professional. I just copy and paste the link. Right now, it's literally like I'm giving away for $110. Okay, most of you guys spend that in 1 hour. Okay, going to the movies and the dinner. So I should be charging you guys way more than this. But I'm trying to give you guys a chance. Right now it's 50% off. When I get off a live stream, it's gonna go right back to 210. Let me see. Keith said the posse is here tonight. Yeah, man. I'm about to get off soon though, cause I still gotta go over some charts. Leslie Savage said, I think that the trip to the Lambo dealership has been delayed. No disrespect. Ah, man. Dom, you said bull flag on a 4-hour BTC. Where do you see a bull flag on a 4-hour? Please let me know, guys. Where do you see a bull flag on a 4-hour? Ken said, Ken, you want to buy a scooter? Triforce said, I heard some YouTubers saying it's going to go to 20K soon. Yeah, I mean, of course, these are the same YouTubers that made a lot of money last year because the market was going up. And this is what most people don't understand. Okay, the market is very it's a beast, man. So it would for example, for a good example would day trading, right? You have a strategy, right? You have a strategy that's working maybe for 1 month, and then next thing you know, boom, it stopped working, and you wonder, man, why it's not working? Well, it's because the market probably been, when you was making all that money, it was probably just going up, right? It was just probably going up. So whatever you was doing, pressing buy, it was working at that time. Now, since the market is either consolidating or going right back down, now you don't know what to do. So that's why most people can't do this full time, because they only think about one way to do things. They don't understand how the market has different cycles. They don't understand they don't actually understand how to read trends. Okay, so automatically, people just got it backwards. Let me see if I see any questions before I get out of here. But shout out to everybody that's here, man. If you have any questions, if you are new, please let me know. Crypto Inspo said, preach. Yeah, man, I have to preach. Some people just don't get it, man. Some people just don't get it. It's funny how I have a lot of trolls. What's going on, Sajad? I have a lot of trolls when the market goes up, but as soon as the market goes down, I don't see nobody. Okay, I come on live stream whether the market goes up or down. I come here, whether the market goes up or down, I'm here. But these guys only come when the market goes up. When the market goes down, I don't see those guys at all. And funny thing, I know they listening. That's the funny thing. So shout out to you guys. Shout out to all my haters. Okay, I know you're listening. Hi, hater. Let me see. You said the big news is troll. Yeah, I know. Booker said looking to buy a position at 77. Yeah, it might bounce at 77. Let me see if I see. Yeah, it might bounce around here around 77, 76, because this is where the breakout happens. So yeah, it might bounce around here. But don't think that's a long-term swing. Of course, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. Giving you the truth said, I just jumped into the live stream. Any big news? Nah, not really any big news. It's basically overall, the market is tight. Okay, the market is tight. It had a nice pump. All right, we had a nice little pump, but it got tight. Okay, it got tight, and not only that, we are at a level where I definitely expected some type of sellers coming in, to come in, but can we bounce up and make a new high? Yes, it's possible we can actually get one more push up. Okay, but if we do get another push up, we have to see how far it goes, because if it just push up just a little bit, that's not a bullish sign. That's not a bullish sign, and if it starts to roll back down, then you gotta keep an eye on that. But overall, you didn't really miss nothing. The market sold off. We talked about this, the ETF, and I talked about how the market cap. Okay, the 300 billion is a key level on the coin market cap. Every time it reached there, every time it goes there, it really can't go up that much, and it just go right back down. So that's a key level for Bitcoin. I don't know if these guys even want to go up that high when it comes to that market cap. And not only that, these other altcoins are just weak, guys. This is why I said this whole move up with Bitcoin looks suspect. This whole move looks suspect because why are these altcoins are not following? Why these guys look like they going to sleep, or because these guys, they wiped out all their gains. So is the altcoin really leading the market? Is the altcoins telling the truth, right? Is Bitcoin lying to us and the altcoins are telling the truth? Because the altcoin is saying, hey guys, man, we can't go up because nobody's really buying us right now. Okay, so just a lot of things going on that's kind of fishy, kind of suspect, but it is what it is. Walter said, anyone find a bull flag on a 4-hour? Where do you see a bull flag? Please let me know. Anybody show me a bull flag on BTC? Where do you see a bull flag? I don't see it. I see one big seller right here. I don't see no bull flag. Where anybody see a bull flag at? Please let me know. Let me see if I see any. Yeah, you should be focused on at least one or two. Even I focused on one or two. But I have some people that have a lot more than one or two. All depends on how you can handle that. But for the most part, if you are a beginner, yes, one or two is probably the best. Tron news. Tim said Tron news. I don't know. Tron news. Well, like I said before, it doesn't matter what Tron comes out. Tron could say, yo, I made a we bought Facebook, and I don't know. Tron could say anything at once. It doesn't matter. Tron doesn't control the market. Is BTC right now, okay? So Tron, if BTC is going down, Tron is going down with it. Right now, Tron got a big dump. And these resistance lines right here is holding for the altcoins. And that's what it is right now. It's sad. Yes, it's sad, but that's how a bear market works. Okay, it's not that easy as most people think it is. This is why I tell people, okay, just because people are screaming the bottom doesn't mean that it's the bottom. Okay, bottoms are not obvious, and not only that, they won't advertise the bottom on the news. Okay, people just don't understand. They're not going to advertise the bottom on the news. Okay, they don't want you to become rich, so they won't say, hey guys, this is the bottom. CNBC wouldn't be saying that. So this Litecoin right here selling off like crazy. So we'll see, guys. We'll see. Just be careful for buying all these dips. That's all. Keith said the course is perfect for a beginner who isn't biased because it teaches you how to trade in all directions. Plus, it teaches you how to think, how to control your emotions. Yes, exactly. So this course is not only about how to make money right now, but it teaches you how to control your emotions, how to think, you know, how to manage your money. Okay, when you make money, it teaches you a lot of stuff. Okay, I took my time with this. I made it simple so you can do it step by step. And basically you could take advantage of the market right now and overall. So shout out to everybody that don't have this course. Is actually 50% discount right now if you're just joining in. And I just copy and paste the link. Let me see if I see any questions. Let me see. Blah blah blah. Keith, it's amazing course. I went over it a few times. It's still going. Shout out to Ken. Ken said he's reviewing the course multiple times, and I told you guys to do that. Review the course multiple times, because you're gonna see stuff that you didn't see before. So shout out to Ken for reviewing the course multiple times. Eric said, any thoughts on using level 2 quotes when day trading? Are you talking about crypto or the stock market, Eric? TRX bullish or bear? It looks bearish right now, Tim. You know, it looks bearish right now. Overall, the whole market is bearish, Tim. The whole market is bearish right now, Tim. You know, and trust me, I'm not saying that just to say that. You know, it's just I've been saying that since March, when we had that sell-off. Unfortunately, this is how a bear market works. It's just it grinds its way down. It gets you hype. But right now we sold a lot for TRX. It still look bearish. Okay, right now we have resistance right here at this level. We try to reach this level again, but you know we have a lot of sellers came in. So overall, it looks bearish, guys. It looks bearish. Yes. Let me see. Can't say I want to be like you. Nah, man. Let me see. Let me see. Any questions? You said, is it Forming 1? What are you talking about? Forming 1, Dom? What are you talking about? Dom, you said, is it Forming 1? What are you talking about, Dom? Crypto Inspo said, Ben gave me the tools already. Use them, practice demo until you feel comfortable. Then go for it. Ben is not here for the hold your hand. Exactly. I'm not here to hold your hand. I'm here to show you the light, show you what's possible, so you can make this money. And a lot of people actually are making money. You can read the testimonials. Let me see. Dom, yeah. What are you talking about? Forming 1. So Eric, do you trade the stock market, Eric? I don't know why people saying bull flag on BTC. Where do you see a bull flag on BTC? Why are you guys saying a bull flag on BTC? Where do you see a flag? I see sellers come in. I don't see nothing flagging right now. I see a big red bar. I don't see no flag. I don't know what you're talking about. Please let me know. Yeah, so Eric, level 2, it could be useful, but I mean, honestly, you don't really need it like that. I mean, you can use it, don't get it twisted, you know, but if you can understand patterns, you can use it. You can use it. You don't have to use it. Eric, do you deal with the stock market too, Eric? Shout out to Booker. You said Bitcoin is about to do a can opener. That's funny. Yeah, shout out to you guys though. Thanks a lot for stopping by. I'm about to get off the chat soon. If you have any questions, before I go, let me know. I'll get to it. But overall, guys, like I said before, just be careful. You said, Ben, how far do you think Bitcoin could go this year? How far do I think? It's very hard to say, okay? But right now, I try not to think too far ahead. You know, we all know that the 10,000 level is a resistance level. We all know that this is a resistance level right here, okay? Sometimes I notice that Bitcoin likes to break out and try to make a new high. So it's a possibility that we can actually make another high with right here, maybe 86, 87, and then, you know, maybe roll back down. But overall, guys, you know, I don't really see this thing going too far. But like I said, I had to see sellers come in. So I don't know how far this thing could go. I don't see it going too far though this year, as in you know, going up. Let me see. You say use a broker that offers options to trade many markets like crypto. Okay, I see what you're talking about. Shout out to you, Eric. Leslie says, how far do you think Bitcoin could drop? I'm thinking 2,500. Yeah, that's a possibility, Savage. 2,500 is definitely a level that I can see too. Definitely a level I can see Bitcoin going. Definitely a level I can see Bitcoin going. Let me see. So guys, if you have any questions, let me know before I get out of here. And for you guys that's new, just be careful out here. I know you want to buy. Just because the market is going up, but you know, sellers might come in. So just be careful. So let me get out of here. Let me see if I see any more questions. Walter said, Ben, can I get your email? Yes, let me get your email. I'll give you your email right now. Yo, Crypto Inspo, you still here? Shout out to Crypto Inspo. You still here in the chat room, Crypto Inspo? Booker said maybe 10K, 11K. That's, I mean, don't get it twisted. Anything is possible. I just don't think it's gonna go up that far. I really don't. I really believe that they don't have enough juice to pump that up that high. But like I said, anything is possible. You just had to understand this up move wasn't really new people buying this. Okay, it was just the bots and exchanges pumping this thing up, and they keep, you know, it's just, I don't know, man. It's just, honestly, I 10K, 11K, I don't know if I see it. It's a possibility because they can actually, you know, go maybe test this high right here and maybe, you know, but I don't know. I don't know if they want to do that. I don't know if they want to do that. I don't know if they want to do that. I think they want to keep it at as low as possible before they make their next move to the downside. Let me see if I see any questions. You said, do I think, John said, do I think BTC is on the way back down? I want to wait to see how many sellers come in at this level. Yeah, shout out to Keith. Good night. You said you'll be adding my link for a reference. What are you talking about, Crypto Inspo? Oh, you said you've been working on getting my new channel. Okay, so did you get your new? You talking about you gonna start making videos now? Shout out to Crypto Inspo. So Crypto Inspo, you gonna start making videos? Walter, did you get the email, Walter? You said I had the course, still learning and getting addicted. Okay, no problem. Yeah, Leslie Savage said it's lacking volume. Yes, it is. It is. The volume is not there, guys. It's going to be very hard to push this up to 11K, you know, 10K. The volume's not really there. So, I mean, like I said, anything is possible, but you know, I tell you this much: these pops like this is not healthy. You saw it in the past, guys. You saw it in the past. Every time we went up in a straight line, we just went right back down. Okay, we just can't go up in a straight line. It can't do that. Okay, right now we're going up in a straight line. Now you're seeing sellers come back in. So just be careful, guys. Tomorrow is Friday. So we might see, they might have one green bar, right? And then the weekend they may sell off again. So we'll see. It's different combinations they can do with this, or more sellers might come in. We'll see. Let me see. Oh, you gonna go live soon? Okay. Let me know, crypto. Let me know, crypto investing. Crypto inspo, when you go live. Actually, email me, crypto in inspo. Email me when you go live soon. Shout out to Crypto Inspo making that channel. All right, so let me get out of here, guys. I have to study some stocks. Got to study some stocks so I can get ready for tomorrow. Day trading the stock market tomorrow. So you know, like I said, guys, there's money to be made. It's just up to you, okay? It's up to you. It's up to you if you want to rely on people, you know, to hold your hand, okay? It's up to you if you want to put all your, you know, your power. If you want to give these guys power, so you have to rely on these guys, right? So because a lot of people are waiting for that ETF to come out, hoping that will reverse the market. If you want to be that guy that just basically give your power up to the higher ups because you think that they're going to save you, then, you know, honestly, I can't help you. Okay, this channel is only for people that wants to take things to the next level and do it yourself. Okay, that's the only way I know to do it. I never saw anyone that said, hey, here's $1 million, take that and get richer. They not gonna just give you $1 million or help you out. You got to help yourself out. Okay, so the best way to help yourself out is study, understand what's going on. Shout out to everybody that's here. Let me get out of here. Good night, everyone. Crypto Inspo, shout out to you. Good to see you here. You definitely need to come back more often, Crypto Inspo. You come like once every 2 weeks. Shout out to Crypto Inspo, Glenn, Booker, Dom, Isaac, everybody that's here. Shout out to you guys. Be careful, guys. This is still a bear market, so every up move looks good until it doesn't look good. So shout out to you. Shout out to everybody that's here. Glenn, Leslie Savage, everybody that's here. Annette. Shout out to Annette. I didn't see your question. Annette said, do you use the 1 hour chart for swing trading? So shout out to Annette. Usually I use it only in the bull market, but not in the bear market. The bear market, the 4 hour and the daily chart is more reliable. Annette is more reliable. So the 4 hour and the daily chart is more reliable when it comes to the bear market. But shout out to you, Annette. I didn't see your question. Let me see. Yeah, so shout out to you guys. Everybody that's here, thanks a lot for coming by. Mr. Sandy, everybody, Eric, everybody that's here. If you don't got this course, definitely check it out because it's going right back up to 210. I copy and paste the link into the description, so check that out. Anyway, guys, thanks a lot and have a good night. And make sure you study. Shout out to everybody that's here. And shout out to everybody that's here. And make sure that you don't let these guys trick you. So talk to you guys later and have a good night.